Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and this Beautifying Beauties spray bottle is just what I needed to help reactivate my curls in the morning and throughout the day. This bottle is very comfortable to hold and to spray. I like that the spray doesn't just come out in a stream, but it comes out in a nice fine mist, making it really easy to control where the water goes. The spray has been so consistent. I have been using this for several months and I use it almost daily, and I haven't had any issues at all with this sprayer not working or getting clogged. It's also really durable. You get a little note from the makers that tell you, don't worry, you're not going to break it, because the very first time that you open it up, it is very difficult and you have to use a lot of force, but it doesn't break. And then after that initial time of opening, it is much easier to open again and refill. It's also great for other purposes as well. I found that the mist was perfect to use on my succulents to make sure that I don't overwater. I know it's a little thing, but I have just been so impressed with this little spray bottle and how durable it is and how handy it's been to use. But that's just my point of view.